வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் சிவிக்ஸ் டேர்ம் 2 செகண்ட் லெசன் பார்க்க போகிறோம். கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் ஆஃப் இந்தியா. அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் கொஷின் ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். கொஷின் வித் ஆன்சர்ஸோடு நான் உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். இதில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு டோட்டலாக 5 கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன், த கான்ஸ்டியூஷன் டே இஸ் செலிப்ரேட்டட் ஆன் November 26th. The Constituent Assembly accepted the Constitution of India in the year 1949. There are dash amendments made in the Constitution of India till 2016. 101. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to vote is the correct answer. An Indian citizen has the right to vote at 18 years is the correct answer. Filling the blanks. Das was selected as the chairman of Constituent Assembly, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The father of the Constitution of India is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Das protects our fundamental rights. Constitution. The Constitution of India came into existence on 26th January. Match the following. Independence Day. Correct answer is August 15th. Republic Day, January 26th. Constitution Day of India, November 26th. Right to education, April 1st. You must write in the correct order. The option B is the correct answer. Answer the question given under the caption Constituent Assembly. Constituent Assembly. First question. In which year was the Constituent Assembly formed? It was formed in the year 1946. How many members were in the drafting committee? The drafting committee was formed with 8 members with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as its chairman. How many women were part of the Constituent Assembly? There were 15 women participants in the Constituent Assembly. When was the Constitution of India completed? The Constitution of India was completed on 26th November 1949. Answer the following. Why was January 26th adopted as the Republic Day? When the Congress met at Lahore in 1929, the members of the Congress unofficially declared the same day as the Purna Swaraj, or the Day of Complete Self-Governance. The next 26th January 1930 was celebrated as the Independence Day. The day has been observed as the Republic Day. What is the Constitution of India? The Constitution is an authentic document containing the basic ideas, principles, and laws of the country. It also defines the rights and duties of citizens. List out the special features of the Constitution of India. The preface of the Constitution is the preamble. According to it, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. The Constitution has granted the people the right to rule. Sovereignty refers to the ultimate power of the country. The term secular refers to the freedom of worship. What are the fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are the basic rights of all citizens. They are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right of freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. List out the fundamental duties that you would like to fulfill. Respecting the national flag and national anthem. Respect and protect the Constitution. Readiness to serve our country if need arises. Treating everyone as brothers and sisters. Avoid violence. Protect government property, etc. What is preamble? The preamble of our Constitution stresses on the justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The preface of the Constitution is the preamble. According to it, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Next, seventh question. What do you understand by liberty, equality, and fraternity? The preamble of Indian Constitution clearly says that to achieve justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of states and opportunity, fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Eighth question. Define sovereign. The Constitution of India has granted the people and the right to vote. The members of the Parliament and the Legislative Assembly are elected by the people. Right to decide is only in the hands of representatives. Sovereignty refers to the ultimate power of the country. Sovereignty refers to India as the independent country. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. இந்த லெசன்ஸோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசனுக்கான புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்ப்போம். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.